Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So I have a bonus cash stuffing to share with you today of £165. This is a mixture of some basic kind of like side hustle money I've been doing, a little bit left over from the half term. James gave me a little bit of money to cash stuff. So yeah, shall we get on with it? I think we shall. So go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax. And let's cash stuff this £165 bonus money today. Okie dokie. Right, up first then, I'm going to go into this binder. This is like my sinking funds binder, and we're going to get the money out because that would be a good start. Oh my God, I was literally just about to start cash stuffing without the cash. What a wally. Right, okay, let's count the cash first, yeah? We've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 5, 35, 45, 55 and 65. So 165 and perfect. There we go. Right, shall we start? Now we've actually got the money. Right, I'm going into wellness first, and I'm putting 20 into beauty because yeah, I'm just need to build this up. This will go because I'm having my eyebrows done. By the time you see this, I actually would have had them done, but there we are. So that's wellness there, and then we are going into family. And I'm putting, okay, so I'm putting £10 into household, so that's £10.25 now. Shall I? Yeah, no, I will. I'm going to change them out for that 20. So we've got 25 in household now, so we're halfway to being up to date with that tracker. And then eating out is also getting 10. So, because I've already got 20, 40, 50, and now 60 in there. So I'm going out for dinner with my friend. We're going Miller and Carter, but I love their steak. I really love their steak. So yeah, and I know their steak's about 30 quid. So anyway, budget for that, £60 should be absolutely fine. Right, okay, so that is that one done. Then I'm going into this binder. I'm going straight to the back to holiday, and I am, so deposit is paid and I'm working on the balance. I haven't changed this out, look, since my last cash stuffing. But I'm adding in here 50, so that's 10, 10. Oh my God, why do I keep doing that? Keep doing that. 20, 30, 40, 50. So 20, 30, 40, 50. What have I got here? 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Right. So I should have £100 in here now towards the balance, which is £500. So I've got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95. Why have I got more than that? I shouldn't have more than that. I've done something wrong. I should have 75 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 70, 75. I think I took too many fives. You're mostly all screaming at the screen going, you took too much. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100. And that's why I budget the life out of my budget. as I know exactly what I'm meant to be having everywhere. Right, okay, so that's £100 there. So yeah, so it's now I only need £400 to save. It's okay. It's okay. So, and I have till February to pay the balance off. So yeah, for a while yet. I have got a while. So I'm not stressing that too much. And like I said in my other video, that I have got my personal emergency fund if I want to use it, to pay if I sort of, yeah, something happens or whatever. Okay, so yeah, I've got here 75, 50, 75, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Yes, all in fives. We're gonna have a little go of some challenges, only 2. So I do save to sink. So I do savings challenges to save up the money, and then I will then put it into my sinking funds. For me, being on a low income, I just feel like I see much more progress. Yes, I do have to finish a savings challenge rather than just putting £5 in each week into things. I just feel like I want to have a bit more fun with it and everything. So yeah, what I'm doing today is I want to get, what do I want to get? I want to get heads or tails completed by the end of May. And I've worked it out, and I need, obviously I only got 4 weeks. I've only budgeted 4 weeks in May. I think there's 5, but I've only budgeted for 4. So to get this finished, I need to do 5 rounds of this. And so that's what we're going to do today. we're going to do 5 rounds of it. So yeah, so let's have a little bit of fun doing this. Where's my pen? Right, so I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to put a mark where I've got to go up to, because I will just carry on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's for another challenge. Right. Okay. Let's see what we can do on heads or tails then. I'll zoom in just a little bit for you guys. I mean, you know, not too much, because my nails are looking awful. Awful still. Okay. Now, actually, I have. Yeah, sorry, I'm saying I have done. Yeah, don't ignore me. Right, tails is the first one. I keep getting bloody tails, honestly. Come on, heads. Yay. Tails again. Tails again. Lots of tails, this dice. Come on. Honestly. It's getting all the money. Heads. Last one was a heads. All right. So the 450 went into here. I was really hoping for some leftover, but no. Oh no, hold on a second. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have had 4 left on here. Yeah, I shouldn't have done 9. It was 1, 2, 3. I should have only done 4 and not that. But it doesn't matter, because it's all savings, isn't it? And it just means in May I've got an extra £10 in my budget to put wherever I want to put it. So there we go. That's the thing. Budget your life out your budget, and it all goes wrong. Anywho, doesn't matter. It's all ending up in the same place. So we've got all the 5s in the heads or tails. So I've got 20, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75 and 80. £80, because it keeps doing goddamn tails. Next time I do this, I'm going to do the tails as a 5, because clearly that dice loves the tails. So anything now that's going to happen. Okay, righty ho then. So there we go. Right, And then I've got £25 here, and I wanted to have a little go on my roll and match because I'm obsessed with this. I can't get enough of it, and there's a lot to get through. So well, let's give this a little boost and see. So I'm gonna go like star bow. I know that might irritate people, but I really want to do alternate, so I get to do each one. So I'm gonna go for the bows this time, and let's see what we get. So if I match, I put 5 in. If I don't match, I put 10. And if I split, I put 5 into this challenge and 5 into a sinking fund. So that's a pink. That's a red. That's a red. And that's a pink. Yeah, my first split. Love. Okay. Actually, I should have budgeted £30 for this. I just realised. Okay, so it's £5 into this challenge. And I'll do a time to roll situation and put that elsewhere. Right, okay, let's go again. That's pink. Oh no, sorry. No. I'm messing with my own program, and I've now got to do the stars. Right. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. Purple, another split. Fantastic. Yes, love that. Okay, so that's another split. And then I've got £5. Oh, I just didn't budget this very well. Let's stop that there. And I'll just look at that. Oh, love it. Love it. I'm just, yeah, just so excited for this. And I just feel like when you get the split that it's like you're giving something else a little bit of extra love, you know. Right, I'll do a little time to roll situation with that money in a minute. I don't know what to do with this £5 because I really didn't budget this very well. I know. I could chance my arm at this, but I haven't got the dice. So, oh no, I have got the dice. You know what I want? I really wanted to do a scratch off. This is from the Queen Bee Makes, the pink one box, but I don't know what the denominations are. It kind of scares me because I know that a lot of her challenges and a lot of her trackers are like 150. It kind of makes me think this is going to be 150, but I don't know, and it could be more. What have I got on here? Because then I could, if I've got a 5 on here, I could then readjust this to be an extra. Or do I just put it in time to roll? You know what? Shall I just put it in time to roll? Okay, you know what? I'm just going to put it in time to roll, guys, because, yeah, I didn't really budget that very well. I must have been doing it when I was tired. Right, time to roll then. And, yeah, so these are the categories. So holiday, wellness, family, clothing, half term, and birthdays. So we'll see. Let's see where we land, yeah. So let's see if I'm happy with it. Let's go. 3 is family. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that going into family. I think I'll put that into let's zoom out a little bit. Oh my lord, what have I just pressed? I think I'll put it into house. I really need to start the buffer off, but I'll put it into household. So household now has got 25 and 30. I'm doing this as I go, so yeah, so that's that. Okay, the next £5, where's that going? 5 half terms, yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. I think half terms, right. I know I've got that budgeted for, so I may, what have I done these ones as? £5. I may start on the October half term and just put that into there. So let's colour this off. These are from the from Budget Stuff Save. I just love them, they're so cute. Right, let's colour in the first leaf for that. Yeah, I'm for the I've already budgeted that the 6 weeks holidays will be completed, so I'd rather put it into, and May's done as well, so perfect. And then the last £5, let's see where this is going. Yeah, okay, I'll do that again then. Oh my lord, my spiders are falling everywhere. So yeah, let's do that again then. Just put another £5 into here. Nice little starter. I'm going to have to get this confirmed, but I'm pretty sure when I looked on Ostara's new school calendar, because she's starting a new school, and by the time you would have seen this, she would have started, and I'll update you all in the cash count up of how she is getting on. But I think they have 2 weeks off at October, I think I saw. So I'm saving 140. I'm hoping I'm wrong. I'm hoping I'm wrong. But anyway, so there we go. We've got 5 and 10 in the October half term now. So just £130 more to go. But there we are. So, well, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it? I mean, we've done a little bit of everything, I feel. Cashed up into some sinking funds. Yeah, obviously gave a holiday a boost, played some games, and done a bit of time to roll, which I do love doing time to roll. It's just not always it's just not within my budget, and I'd rather do the save to sink method. But yeah, there we go. I'm going to leave it there for today, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you could leave this emoji in the comments below, I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I'm going to let you get on with your day. So thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day and a great week as always. And I shall see you all soon. Bye-bye.